Fun study fun. Smile math.
Hello, friends. Today is the third session of our addition quiz. We'll be solving quizzes while looking at the sky with our Parrot Friend Buddy. Please cheer us on. Alright, let's get started for today. Buddy, here's the first question. There are 2 suns in the sky. In another part of the sky, there are 4 more suns. How many suns are there in total?
There are 6 suns in total. So the answer is 6.
Bingo! Ding dong ding! Well done! Here's the second question. I see 2 cool airplanes. Over there, 7 airplanes are coming this way. How many airplanes are there in total?
There are 9 airplanes in total. So the answer is 9.
Correct. Congratulations! The third quiz. There are 3 fluffy, cotton candy-like clouds. Next to them, there are 3 pink clouds. How many clouds are there in total?
There are 6 clouds in total. So the answer is 6.
Wow! Another correct answer. Here's the fourth quiz. In the sky there are 5 colorful kites. Next to them, there are 4 more kites. How many kites are there in total?
There are 9 kites in total. So the answer is 9.
Correct. Buddy is amazing. It's the 5th question. There are 6 helicopters. There are 3 more helicopters in different colors. How many helicopters are there in total?
There are 9 helicopters in total. So the answer is 9.
Wow, correct. Buddy, you're the best. It's the 6th question. The sky has already turned dark. I see 5 twinkling stars. Next to them, there's 1 big star. How many stars are there in total?
There are 6 stars in total. So the answer is 6.
Correct. Buddy, are you tired? Hang in there just a little longer. Here's the last question already. There are 8 moons of different shapes in the sky. In another part of the sky, there's 1 full moon. How many moons are there in total?
There are 9 moons in total. So the answer is 9.
Correct. Another perfect score. Let's give a big round of applause to Buddy for his hard work. Congratulations! Friends, wasn't today so much fun? It's sad to say goodbye to our Parrot Friend Buddy. Let's promise to meet again next time. Goodbye for today as we listen to a song.
2 plus 4 is 6. The sun brightens the whole world. 2 plus 7 is 9. Airplanes soaring through the sky. 3 plus 3 is 6. Clouds floating with the breeze. 5 plus 4 is 9. Kites flying higher and higher. 6 plus 3 is 9. Helicopters flying swiftly. 5 plus 1 is 6. Stars are shining in my heart. 8 plus 1 is 9. The moon lights up the night sky. 2 plus 4 is 6. The sun brightens the whole world. 2 plus 7 is 9. Airplanes soaring through the sky. 3 plus 3 is 6. Clouds floating with the breeze. 5 plus 4 is 9. Kites flying higher and higher. 6 plus 3 is 9. Helicopters flying swiftly. 5 plus 1 is 6. Stars are shining in my heart. 8 plus 1 is 9. The moon lights up the night sky.